The night cuts in like a blown fuse in my ribs, and chaos hums where the light should be. Street lamps smear into wet halos, a random orchestra of sirens and dripping gutters tuning my nerves. I taste metal on my tongue, that battery tang of panic waking old ghosts in my lungs. My thoughts strobe, a jittering film reel with a glitch at the center of every frame. I press a palm to my sternum and feel the packless thud of a drum learning a broken beat. Somewhere, a window slams and the echo threads the alley, stitching noise to my skin. I want to tame it, cage it, lock the rattling cupboard, and be gentle again. But the air smells like rain about to happen, like a spark stalking dry grass, and my mouth fills with a song I have not earned yet. I close my eyes and let the wild meter count for me, each inhale a step into weather I cannot choreograph. The realization lands simple as a warm hand on the back of my neck. I do not have to silence the storm, only choose how I meet it. So I choose to hum low, steady, a thread the wind can lean on without breaking. The rhythm answers, loosening its teeth, and change purrs like a stray allowed a doorway. Moral sharp as flint in the dark, my love chaos is a language, and I become fluent when I listen first.